Hi, my name is Mas Fatin, and let's continue with
heat engine is a device used to extract heat from a source and then convert it into mechanical work that is used for all sorts of applications.
There's many applications of heat engine, for example, power plant, steam engine, and internal combustion engine.
What is power plant? Power plant, also known as power station, and it is an industrial facility that used to generate electricity. There is 5 types of power plant. First, fossil fuel. Second, nuclear. Third, wind. Fourth, solar. And the last one is hydroelectric.
Power plant using high temperature steam to drive electric generator while exhausting heat to the atmosphere. Let me show you some picture of power plant. The atmosphere around the reactor acts as a cool reservoir, and the heat generated from the nuclear reaction provides the heat from the hot reservoir.
Let's continue with steam engine. Steam engine is heat engine that perform mechanical work using the steam as the working fluid. Let's take a look on example of the steam engine. Mostly, steam engine is used in old train engine. This is the main part of steam engine.